Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will try to learn about CTUD counter in LS PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will use one input address. An example. First input of my PLC, I will choose IX0 and click enter. But here we will be started here. IX0, and next we will choose the function in the F10, and we will search for the CTUD. So you can see the CTUD counter and click enter, and again click OK, again click OK, and you will see this counter. But before this wiring, I will like to show you the help of this counter. What he says, availability, which models supported this counter, and flags not have input. CU means up counter pulse input. CD means down counter pulse input. R means reset. LD means load a preset value. In an example, if you like to immediately forward this value which you giving at the preset value, that will be for moves immediately. That's the LD means LD, loads a preset value. PV means preset value. In the output section, QU is the up counter output and QD means down counter output, and CV means current value. So now we will one more input take. An example, IX1 I will choose for the down counting, and one more downside we will take the internal memory MX0 for an example I will choose for the reset, and MX1 I will choose for the load value, and this lines will be completed. And next we have to be choose the output. For an example, QX0 or any internal memory we can choose. MX10 for example is my up counting relay, and MX15 is for my down counting relay. And here we will choose the two open contacts of our MX10, and second we will choose for the MX15. And now output we will be choose for the QX0, and here we will choose the QX1 for example. And this program we will be downloaded into the PLC. What's the problem? Because of we not gives the preset value. Here also you can direct value also you can place, and also you can give the data register. For example, T100 I will choose for the value where I like to be put how much values after my relays works. So again we will write the program to the PLC. Click OK, again click OK, and we have to be online. Just we have to be connect first, and we will run the PLC, and we will monitor the program. And here we will preset the value. For an example, 10 value I will put. We decided here when the hour in the up counting, if our value is equal with 10, our output needs to be on QX0. Because of MX10 we decided here for the up counting, and MX15 is we decided for the down counting. And now down counting is completed, so our QX1 is now on. But as we give the signal at IX0, you can see one signal is completed, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and as completed the 10 value, you can see our QX0 is on. And now we will repeat again that give the signal at IX1, and you can see this value when reach at the 0, our output will be QX1 will be on. And if in between these values, if we like to jump the preset value immediately to our output, so we can make it the on MX1 and click it OK, and you can see the 10 value is moves in the direct current value and our output is on. So hope guys you will be understand about this CTUD counter. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.